We're on a popular Grays test route for the Tilbury Test Centre. Currently driving on Tennyson Avenue. ALFIE'S Driving School offers driving lessons in Grays with manual and automatic driving instructors for anyone wanting to learn to drive in Grays. At the next junction, we're going to take a right turn onto Bradley Avenue, slowing down in good time, making sure we give way to our right. And as we enter the road, as you can see on the road markings, the 20 zone, looking ahead for the silver vehicle, giving way to them, checking our right door mirror. As you can see ahead, there's a mini roundabout. We're going to follow the road ahead, slowing down in good time, giving way to our right and driving on. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in Grays with ALFIE'S Driving School today. Get in touch to secure your slots.